Ah, that's you. Looks like you already watched the second session. Ah, love it. Perfect. I see I'm working on the third one. Go and watch it. It should be epic.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello folks, so I'm currently making a next phase of building a machine fully capable of delivering real products in real world without any coding. I designed the way where how we can store the documentation, interact with this documentation, and keep it as a single source of truth. Testing it, and if it's working, I might be releasing it to real world so that people can try. Yeah, I need still to think about the log and updates and who can override them, these type of things, but everything else, I like how it works so far. My tennis match is just about to start. I'm playing on a clay today and heading there. Tennis has a surprisingly long and slightly quirky history. It didn't just appear as a neat Wimbledon grass court game as we know today. It actually got a medieval roots, jeu de paume. Yes, you hear it correctly. The earliest ancestor appeared in France in the 12th, 13th century. Players were using their hands to hit the ball back and forth, usually in enclosed courtyards. Over the time, they began to use gloves, the small bats, and eventually rackets by the 1500s. The game was quite popular among French nobility. By the 16th century, the game evolved to what's now called the real tennis. Sometimes I'm getting a feeling that somebody is watching us, don't you? Oh, let's get back to our forest adventure. While exploring what to do on weekends, I discovered a really beautiful hike. It was written for kids, so why to worry? Just make it. Usually, when you plan to go hiking, what you will take with you? Maybe a backpack, water, or one more backpack? No, it was written a quite easy hike, so.
The vibe from the ground up to the sky. Living life, we're flying high. Very good, very nice, that's right.
That's how we are hiking. At least
Hello.
Day is not over, so let's do something else. I have a project which is sitting on the shelf quite long. Why not? I really need to finish this aquarium. Alright, phase 2. I applied some glue, just in case, to glue it a bit once more, and starting the phase 3. So next stage, I arranged the air compression and airflow actually, and then I'm starting to put the sand. Look on this air composition. I have several methods. Alright, let's get moving. This is the moment where I completely forgot the layer for the plants. Oh, I will regret that in the future a lot.
Share the vibe from the ground up to the sky. Living life, we're flying high. Very good, very nice, that's right.
people at times. For your own safety, we recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened during the entire flight. We kindly ask you to fold away your tray table and to put your feet.
Build it, live it, share the vibe from the ground up to the sky. Living life, we're flying high. Very good, very nice, that's right.
I do love networking and communication, and it was quite an honor to be a speaker at this fantastic event. Thank you all for the invite. It was very good.
Build it, live it, share the vibe from the ground up